This isn't just another green arrow or a random buy alert. It's a full logic engine, built for trust, transparency, and real decisions. Most signals leave you guessing. They're either lagging or they're black box tools you can't trust. Why can't traders trust most tools? Because black box logic hides how signals work. Because lagging triggers react too late to matter. And because there's no transparency, no audit trail, no proof, and no confidence. SelectSignal flips the model. It gives you signal logic you can inspect and verify before you ever take the trade. This is how the signal logic works. It starts with Select Core to confirm trend direction. Then Momentum Surge measures the strength behind price action. Edge Surge filters out erratic or unstable conditions. And finally, we evaluate confluence, how well systems align. The stronger the alignment, the larger the position. It's a complete system, not just a flashing signal. You can hover over any signal and see exactly where it triggered. Strategy panels, trade audit logs, and live feeds, all visible, testable, and fully transparent. No guessing, just clean logic, every time. In the TradingView platform, here's exactly what you'll see. First, the signal overview with entry and exit points shown directly on the chart. Second, a full performance dashboard in the strategy tester, showing win rate, profit factor, and other key metrics. Third, a detailed trade analysis breakdown highlighting every stat behind the trade. And more, including the full list of trades for full transparency and review. These aren't cherry-picked trades. Every strategy is back-tested, reviewed, and fully verified. You see the data, not just the claims. This isn't a moving average crossover. It's a structured system, designed to adapt, not just flash arrows. Want the full breakdown? Grab the free strategy guidebook